ChatGPT's 42 signal Bitcoin analysis flags critical $121,000 test after historic $123,000 ADH pullback. Bitcoin. ChatGPT. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. ChatGPT's 42 signal analysis flags critical $121,000 test after Bitcoin's historic $123,000 ADH pullback amid Trump's $9 trillion retirement market opening. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto journalist. Hassan. Crypto journalist. Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. July 18, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. ChatGPT's AI model processed 42 live indicators, revealing consolidation momentum as Bitcoin holds $117,600, following a historic $123,091 all-time high, ADH, achieved on July 14, with a minus 1.32% daily decline testing whether the rally marks the beginning of a bull market or peak exhaustion. Trading above all EMAs while RSI at healthy 64.37 suggests a technical reset amid institutional positioning uncertainty. A strong structural foundation emerges, with the price 16.9% above the 200-day EMA, $97,723, while the MACD maintains bullish momentum despite a pullback from historic highs. The market cap stands at $2.34 trillion with a daily volume of $82.25 billion, as Charles Schwab launches Bitcoin trading and Trump's Genius Act opens a $9 trillion retirement market to crypto investments. The following analysis synthesizes ChatGPT's 42 real-time technical indicators, retirement market developments, institutional adoption acceleration, and historic high implications to assess BTC's 90-day trajectory amid a critical inflection point that determines whether the continuation or correction will occur. Technical crossroads. Historic high pullback tests bull market validity. Bitcoin's current price of $117,600 reflects a minor 1.32% daily decline from its historic all-time high of $123,091, achieved on July 14, marking a critical consolidation phase. The $3,505 intraday range represents 3% of the current price, demonstrating controlled volatility during institutional position adjustment periods. RSI at 64.37, a healthy level, provides optimal positioning with room for continued appreciation without overbought concerns, suggesting a technical reset rather than a trend reversal. This positioning suggests a sustainable bull market structure rather than an exhaustion spike, although decisive action above the $121,000 resistance remains crucial for validation. MACD indicators display strong bullish momentum, with a positive histogram at 2,836.92, confirming underlying strength despite a short-term pullback. The combination of healthy RSI positioning and strong MACD signals creates an optimal setup for continuation toward $125,000 to $127,000 targets once consolidation completes. Retirement market revolution. Trump's Genius Act opens $9 trillion gateway. President Trump's planned signing of the Genius Act represents a revolutionary catalyst opening the $9 trillion U.S. retirement market to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investments. This development could trigger unprecedented institutional demand as 401k and pension funds gain regulatory approval for digital asset allocation. The retirement market integration addresses previous regulatory barriers that prevented institutional participation, creating sustainable demand drivers beyond speculative trading. Professional retirement fund managers, who are subject to fiduciary compliance, now have a regulatory framework for allocating Bitcoin to their treasuries. Charles Schwab's launch of Bitcoin and Ethereum trading services validates the mainstream financial services embrace of cryptocurrency infrastructure. The $10 trillion asset manager's entry provides credibility, attracting conservative institutional capital that was previously excluded from direct cryptocurrency exposure. Market dominance dynamics. Altcoin season speculation builds. Bitcoin's market dominance, at 60.86%, shows a slight decline as altcoin season speculation intensifies following BTC's historic high. This dominance shift creates a binary scenario in which Bitcoin either maintains its leadership or capital shifts toward altcoin alternatives. BTC dominance dropping hard, according to analysts, suggests a major utility season ahead as institutional capital explores high-performance blockchain alternatives. This rotation pattern has historically preceded significant altcoin appreciation cycles, while Bitcoin consolidates its gains. Historical context. ADH achievement creates psychological inflection. Bitcoin's July 14th all-time high of $123,091 represents the culmination of institutional adoption momentum that had been building throughout 2021. Current 4.36% discount to ADH provides attractive positioning while maintaining the psychological significance of historic breakthrough achievement. The 15% appreciation from June's $108,799 close demonstrates sustained institutional demand despite broader market uncertainty. Historic high achievement creates a psychological inflection point where Bitcoin either validates a new valuation paradigm through continued appreciation or experiences a correction as early adopters secure profits. The next 30 to 60 days remain critical for determining the long-term trajectory. Support and resistance. EMA strength provides foundation. Immediate support emerges at today's low around $117,316, reinforced by psychological support at $115,000 to $116,000. The exceptional EMA positioning, with prices 3 to 17% above all major moving averages, confirms the success of institutional accumulation and validates trend strength. Major support extends through the 20-day EMA at $113,968 and the 50-day EMA at $109,338, providing multiple safety nets during any correction periods. This support structure appeals to institutional risk management as it requires defined downside protection during historically high valuation levels. Critical resistance begins at today's high around $120,821. Followed by psychological resistance at $121,000 to $122,000. Breaking above the zone would signal continuation toward major resistance at $125,000 to $127,000, representing next institutional profit-taking and psychological milestone levels. Market metrics. Institutional validation sustains momentum. Bitcoin maintains a historic $2.33 trillion market capitalization, accompanied by a robust 24-hour trading volume of $81.67 billion, which represents institutional validation of its store of value status at unprecedented levels. The 18.9% volume increase demonstrates continued professional participation despite pullback from highs. The circulating supply of 19.89 million BTC represents 94.7% of the maximum 21 million supply, creating increasing scarcity dynamics that appeal to institutional treasury allocation strategies. The approaching supply maximum intensifies deflationary arguments in favor of premium value.